So here's a look at my Google Classroom. It's my World Geography Classroom page. You can go into classwork and see that I've created several topics. The first 3 topics I've created are 5 themes of geography, math skills, and one of the regions of Europe. Within the topics, I have posted different assignments, quizzes, and questions. I have posted it in the 5 themes. I've done a 5 themes quiz, which is actually a Google form, and they can answer the quizzes there. I have listed a question that they will answer. For this one, it's list, define, and provide an example for each of the 5 themes of geography. Write one sentence stating why each of these themes are important, and then they have to respond to 2 other classmates' posts, which has not happened yet. The last thing in 5 themes 1 is a review, which takes them to the site Quizlet, where they can do flashcards of the vocabulary for this unit. They can quiz themselves. They can do all different kinds of reviews to get them ready for the test. The next topic is math skills. I have the same thing, a math skills review, and also a question, which the question is name the 5 basic parts of math, rank them in order of importance, and explain their rankings. Again, they will respond to 2 other classmates' posts. In the Europe unit, so far, I have listed only a question, and then I will add different assignments and things to that. So that is my Google Classroom in the works.